Solving system of inequalities. So this is review and graphing. So first thing you should always do is rewrite your equation. So this first equation, I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides. So I'd have this. And then you have to divide by a -1. So do not forget, that's going to flip my sign. So I have a 2x plus 3 is my first equation. Second equation already has my inequality all by itself. So that's kind of nice. So now when I'm actually graphing my two solutions, I like to change colors so that's easier to see. But first I'm going to graph this one. So go up 3, plot that point, and my slope is a +2. Up 2 to the right 1. And for these problems, I do want you to try to put multiple points, and you should extend your line because your solution is part of the whole graph. Your solution is an infinite solution, so it goes on forever. So here, this has a line underneath it, so that means it's going to be solid, like a rock, and it's less than, so that means it's shaded below. Now you shade your next equation, so if I go up 1, my slope is down 1 to the right 2, and again, it just makes it easier if you plot more points because you're going to be drawing a line, and sometimes when you have your dotted line, it might not be as easy, but again, I have a line underneath here, so that's or equal to. Oops, I did not hit the points, but you're going to be way better than me, and you're going to hit the points. And it's greater than. So I have to be able to clearly see what your answer is. So I personally, you don't have to do it like me. I like to trace out, okay, it's in this section. So this right here, my orange is my answer. Where they actually overlap, where the two shadings overlap is my answer. Try to do biggie by yourself. So now we're going to be graphing a linear with an absolute value. So I just throw them back down here because I already have y by itself. So when I have y is less than 3, first I go to where y is 3. Here's where y is 3, right there. You want to make sure to draw your equation in the same direction as the tick mark when there is only one variable. So this is or equal to, so it's going to be a solid line. And it says y is less than this. So this is where it's below. And the next one, my absolute value, I'm moving to the right one. And I don't move up and down. My slope is a +1. So up 1 over 1. All the way. Up 1 over 1. And it's or equal to. And it's greater than. I hope you like my sound effects. So where do they actually overlap? They overlap in this little triangle right here. So there you have it. Bing bada boom, graphing systems of inequalities. Do the two other graphs by yourself and have a grand day.